Welcome to the video on Introduction to Merchant Fulfilled Shipping on Amazon. When you choose to fulfill orders as merchant fulfilled shipping, you are responsible for order packaging, shipping, returns, and customer service. Let's explore each of these topics in detail. When prepping your products for shipping, ensure they are well packaged to handle the rigors of transport. Improperly packaged products may be damaged upon arrival, appear used, or otherwise outside the listed condition. A suggested guideline to consider when packaging is whether the product or its original packaging would pass a 3-foot drop test without damage, bent corners, or scratches. 5 different angles to imagine this drop would be flat on its base, flat on top, flat on the longest side, flat on the shortest side, on a corner. Having a product arrive in the condition as described results in a positive experience for the customer and increases sales. When it comes to shipping, you will be asked to maintain your shipping performance to deliver the best customer experience possible. Maintaining high shipping metrics by shipping on time, using a shipping method that meets the promised delivery date, and packaged correctly leads to positive seller reviews. To access these metrics from your Seller Central homepage, hover over the Performance button and click on Account Health. On the Account Health dashboard, your first metric is late shipment rate. When you receive an order, you are given a handling time during which you need to confirm shipment. On your order, you will see a ship by date range. Exceeding this date range will be considered a late shipment. Handling time can be set at the SKU level. Setting a lower handling time improves the delivery promise that customers can see and increase sales. To learn more, search for Modify Handling Time help page. Your goal is to keep the late shipment rate at less than 4% over a 30-day period. The next metric is pre-fulfillment cancel rate. You are expected to keep your seller-initiated cancel rate under 2.5% on a rolling 7-day time frame. One of the best practices to keep this rate under this percentage is to maintain accurate and daily inventory updates of your listed products for sale. As a side note, system-requested buyer cancellations will not affect this metric. Next is the valid tracking rate. Some benefits of valid tracking data are fewer customer contacts, higher seller ratings, and fewer A to Z claims, reduced lost shipment costs, and faster payment qualifications. To maintain the 95% or greater valid tracking rate goal, use carriers that are integrated with Amazon. A list of these carriers can be found by searching for Valid Tracking Rate FAQ in the search bar on your Seller Central homepage. The last metric is on-time delivery rate. Having orders arrive on time is a huge expectation of customers buying products on Amazon. You can see the expected deliver by date on your order just below the ship by date. Be sure to pick the correct shipping speed option for your orders so they arrive on time. Use a carrier that provides tracking information to Amazon. To be able to deliver on these metrics, review and edit your shipping settings to fit your shipping operations. Your shipping settings can be found under Settings. To help maintain your shipping metrics, Amazon offers a program called Buy Shipping Services that comes with a portfolio of protections and discounted rates. On your order, you will see a Buy Shipping button. Click on that and you will be able to use discounted rates from our network of partnered carriers. Enter your packaging size and Buy Shipping automatically suggests shipping services that can meet the delivery promise to the customer, your carrier preference, and lowest available cost. Buy Shipping can operate on a bulk level of up to 100 orders, and you can set Buy Shipping preferences to decrease the time that it takes to purchase each shipping label. Search Buy Shipping Services in the search bar on your Seller Central homepage to learn more. To ensure a consistent experience for customers, you must match or exceed Amazon's return policies. Professional sellers are automatically enrolled in Amazon's Prepaid Returns Label program. As a part of this Prepaid Returns Label program, Amazon automatically authorizes U.S. returns that fall within Amazon's return policy. We provide customers with prepaid return shipping labels on your behalf through Buy Shipping Services. If a product is outside of our automated return process, you will receive a notification under Manage Seller Fulfilled Returns Authorization Required tab. Remember, you must match or exceed Amazon's return policies in managing the order. Put yourself in the shoes of the customer and provide the level of service you expect as a customer with an issue. To learn more, search for Manage Seller Fulfilled Returns in the search bar on the Seller Central homepage. Our last topic for this video is customer service. At Amazon, we are customer obsessed and strive to provide a great customer experience. Customers have come to expect this high level of customer service, and that is what keeps them coming back for more. As a seller, you are now in control of the same experience for your customers. We encourage you to keep this philosophy in mind and ensure that customers are responded to in a timely, honest, and respectful manner. Customers will most commonly reach out through buyer-seller messaging. You are expected to respond to buyer-seller messaging within 24 hours. Even if the buyer is thanking you for outstanding customer service, acknowledge the message as no response needed. Finally, to help maintain the 24-hour response time, download the Amazon Seller app. This wraps up our overview of merchant-fulfilled shipping. Thank you, and happy selling on Amazon!